Good day, everyone. Learn how to edit registry keys in Windows 11 safely. So you want to do the registry editing, but you want to know what is the safest way to do it. So I'll tell you the best method to do so. Do a right click in the start icon and click on run. And here type reg edit. Once you have typed it, click on OK and say yes. Now, before doing or before making any changes to the registries, I would always recommend to create a backup of the registry. So you can simply go to File, go to Export, and save it to wherever you want to save the registry backup. And if anything goes wrong, you can always come here and click on Import the file which you have exported. So this is the best way. And you can also create a system restore by simply typing restore, and it will say create a restore point, and select the C drive and create a restore point with that name, registry edit. So by any chance, if you do anything wrong, you can always come back to the restore point. All right. And now you can go with the editing which you want to, and it will be absolutely safe because you always have an option to come back to the earlier point. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.